Chicken Danielle is a 5-star recipe that has Allrecipes users raving. Cook chicken breasts in this velvety mushroom wine sauce and serve over pasta for a meal that's just as easy as it is delicious. Allrecipes user Josie the Mama said this recipe is totally amazing. So easy too. Tastes like it came from a fancy Italian restaurant. Here's how to make it. Melt 6 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Season 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts with salt and pepper and add to the skillet. Cook for about 4 to 7 minutes on each side, just until the chicken is halfway done and golden brown on the outside. Once it's nice and browned, remove the chicken to a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, but make sure to reserve these drippings. In a separate skillet, melt the 2 remaining tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat and saute 6 ounces of sliced button mushrooms. Add 1/4 cup of Marsala wine and stir. Lower the heat and let reduce for 5 minutes. Set these mushrooms and drippings aside, making sure to keep them warm. In the same skillet you used for the chicken, add 1 can of cream of chicken soup and 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Mix everything together well, making sure there are no lumps. Slowly add 3/4 cup of heavy cream, stirring constantly. Then add the remaining 1/2 cup of Marsala wine. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of fresh chopped rosemary and 1/4 teaspoon of fresh chopped thyme, and let this mixture simmer over medium-high heat until bubbly. Feel free to adjust the amount of wine as needed to make a nice thick gravy consistency. Once it's bubbling, add in the reserved mushroom mixture and stir together. Cover and bake in a 375-degree oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Spoon your chicken in this rich, velvety mushroom sauce over your favorite kind of pasta, and your dinner is complete. Garnish with fresh herbs or cracked pepper and serve with a side salad or garlic bread if you like. This creamy, delicious mushroom and Marsala sauce is perfect for dipping. Chicken Danielle is the perfect, easy, and delicious dinner, and it makes for great leftovers the next day. Let us know in the comments how you made this recipe your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.